yagira amagara marungi nashaje kubinga shukari no kureba ngo no kore exercise nambwe niko ko kureba hati twine habana twine haba Lions Club twine abantu bakuru bona bija ngo bakora amagara kandi nitekateka ngo izo bariyaza kurenga buri muntu naija kugenda ina amagara marungi kandi nagusishe chonga nawe nagenda nagambira abandi ikibashemerera gukora erizo batwadaho abashebera shukari twine waho akweza kwiruka naija kuba nachebeza na shukari.
It's very good for us to keep on exercising, do checkups, and call upon all the Bushenyi Shaka municipality people to come every Thursday for medication, outpatient. It's for free of charge. You're just required to come with your LC1 letter and come along with your national ID. It will help us to identify you and to know your area.
Umuntu myaka nkaga nena kandi sahi agukora exercises kandi zinagira mu Lions Club tine pressure tine shukari ina magara marungi ni road work for 10 kilometers a day kandi plantaruhire kandi fitness yona kinko igeragera sana abantu babiri myaka nke yanje ndeba bebe mbiri abatakora exercises.
Yeah.